In this video, we are going to talk about datasets. Datasets allow us to define the schema or the metadata of a file or directory of files. And then the datasets can be used to read data in multiple workflows. So here I'm in a project called Read Write Files, and I have a few datasets. One is people dataset, which is over Parquet files, and transaction dataset, which is over CSV files. So if I look inside the dataset, it defines the schema. It has a location where the files reside. And then coming to the workflows. So the workflows can use the datasets that have been created. So I have a workflow called reading Parquet file workflow. I can see the various datasets over here, and I can use the datasets that I have created before to read the content of the files directly. So for example, here it is able to read from Parquet files from the people dataset. It's printing a few records and then it's saving it as a Delta files. Thank you very much.